Richtech Robotics seemingly roared back to life on a collaboration with Microsoft through the Microsoft AI Co-Innovation Labs to develop and deploy agentic artificial intelligence for real-world robotic systems. The partnership focuses on enhancing Richtech's flagship Atom robot with adaptive intelligence powered by Azure AI, enabling more contextual, conversational, and aware interactions in physical environments. Through joint work between Richtech's engineers and Microsoft's AI Co-Innovation Labs, Atom has been upgraded with vision, voice, and autonomous reasoning capabilities. These enhancements allow the robot to move beyond basic task execution and respond dynamically to its surroundings. New context awareness features enable Atom to factor in signals such as time of day, weather conditions, and active promotions, while also adapting to customer preferences. Vision-based AI models help maintain speed and quality during peak demand, particularly in retail and hospitality settings. The collaboration also introduces operational awareness capabilities. Atom can now detect and notify staff of potential issues, such as ingredient shortages or equipment problems, before they disrupt operations. These features are designed to improve workflow efficiency, service reliability, and overall customer experience. While Atom serves as the primary demonstration of the partnership, Richtech and Microsoft emphasized that the agentic AI framework can be applied across a wide range of physical environments. Potential applications include logistics, hospitality, manufacturing, and other settings that require real-time perception, reasoning, and high reliability. By combining cloud-based AI models with physical robotics, Richtech can deploy software-driven intelligence across its broader robot portfolio without the need for extensive new hardware investments. Wayne Huang, founder and chief executive officer of Richtech Robotics, said the collaboration reflects a shared commitment to applying advanced AI to practical, real-world use cases. He noted that working closely with Microsoft enabled the teams to jointly develop intelligent capabilities that enhance reliability, improve customer interactions, and support scalable automation across physical environments. If you're on Team Robot and want to help informative videos like this come out faster, please share this video about the new and improved Atom on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Also, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.